name is Rachelle. I'm with Home and Fam Life, and today I wanted to share with you some of my favorites, cleaning favorites, that is. And I just have a few products. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's make this quick. I don't want this to be a terribly long video. I'm going to start with the small things and then we'll move to the big mamma jammas appliances. So let's start with my favorite dish soap as of lately, and it is the Dawn Platinum Foaming Eraser. So you just take it and you pump it down and it comes out foamy. You put it on your dish rag and it will wash an entire sink load of dishes on one pump. So this lasts forever, I feel like. I've had about 2 weeks and I've only used a half a bottle. So this beats Mrs. Myers for me. So this is my new fave, and this will be on my kitchen sink from now on. So when I'm doing my dishes, my dish rags were starting to smell smelly, even like get it out, use it 5 or 6 times and they were getting smelly and I couldn't get that smell out. So I decided to go with these Brillo Basics. They are reusable wipes for dishes, cleaning, kitchen, and bathroom, and it's a 12-pack. I get these at the Dollar Tree, so 12 for $1, not bad. And I use one a day, and at the end of the day, because I don't have a dishwasher, I wash all my dishes by hand. The rag is pretty worn out, so I usually pitch it. So yes, it's kind of wasteful, but for me, it's 10 times better because I don't have that smell, and with the combination of these two things, my dishes look better than they have in a long, long time. So that's definitely will be staying with me for a long time. So then I have this here. So we have to clean our washing machines, and they're a pain in the butt to clean. You're not supposed to use vinegar. Whenever I bought my new washer and dryer a couple of months ago, they told me not to use vinegar, and they recommended this. So I picked it up, and it is the Tide HE washing machine cleanser. So once a month or once every other month, I just take one of these pouches out, cut it open, toss it in the wash, pour the contents into the washing machine, and wash it on. I just use quick wash. I don't know if there's a specific clean setting on washers. Mine does not. I just wash it on quick wash. It gets all that stuff in there and it cleans it out and keeps your washer from smelling funny, because sometimes they'll mildewy smelling. So, and then I have the Gain Fireworks. I was on the Downy Unstoppables for a long time, but I picked these up one day because they were the same price, and I was like, oh, it smells good, let me give it a try. These last better. They last so much longer than the Downy ones do. So these are definitely a favorite. I have used these for about 3 months, 2 or 3 months now, and whenever I go to take my sheets off the following week after I've washed them, they still smell like this. And the Downy did not do that for me. So they do really last. So highly recommend those. Now for the big items. I have a dog, and my dog sheds like crazy. She's a red heeler. We keep her in the house most of the time. If we're here, she's here. She has the option of inside or outside, whichever she prefers. She prefers to be wherever my husband is. So I was dealing with a lot of dog hair on the floor. I could make a dog wig with the hair I got up off the floor. So I decided to invest in a Rumba. This is the 665, and it was an investment. It was, I think, $269. I got it at Sam's. I'll link one in the description bar below. Oh my gosh, this is the best thing ever. I can set it to run when we're gone. It has an app. I can, if I forget to set it and I'm leaving work and I want it to be done when I get home, I can hit clean on my app and it will clean it. And then it also has a spot feature. So if the kids spill something and I just need to clean up a spot, we named this one Ramon. So Ramon gets to go clean the spot. We put him on it and hit spot and it cleans it up. It has a little light that shows you when it senses dirt. If it senses dirt, it doesn't dock unless it's going dead. And it has a light that tells you the battery, and when it starts to get low on battery, it takes itself home to the dock and docks itself. So the battery life on this lasts for my entire upstairs, and then I will dock him and let him charge, and then I do the basement. I've never tried to do both on one battery, but I don't know how long the battery life is. And it's very simple to clean out the dirt container. Okay, so for my last item, this big boy here. It is the Hoover Floormate Deluxe. And I have had this for over a year now. I used it for a while and I was like, oh, that's a lot of work to drag that out and put it up. Let me just use the mop, it's simple. But my floor was not getting as clean as it did with this. I felt like, even using the spin mop, I was still just kind of pushing stuff around. And my floor just kind of was looking dull. So I pulled this bad boy out, and again, my floors are looking great. So it has a tank on this side that you fill up with the solution it comes with. You have to use the solution it comes with. If you use like vinegar or citrus-based cleaners, then it will ruin the machine. And it tells you that in the directions. And then this side over here just pops off, and this is where you collect all the dirty water. It sucks up all the dirty water and debris, and it just pops right back on. And you have a button right here for wash and dry. So if you just have like spilt milk you need to clean up, you can put it on dry and just suck it up, and then flip it to wash, and then you can clean it. Knob switch. Oh, and it has roller balls on the bottom. Has different ones for tile and different ones for, it's getting heavy, and for hardwood floors. So you are not putting down too much water to destroy your hardwood floors, if that's a concern. So this is one of my favorites. It also has this button up here that says Clean Boost, and it just makes the brushes spin more. And then you just push this button to let water out and let go to suck it up. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your #1 favorite cleaning product is. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video and would like to see more of these more often. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified when I upload a video, hit the bell down there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.